Hey guys, we're going to be making slime today, so this will tell you how you can make it at home. So we'll be needing glue, baking soda, markers, and contact solution. You'll need a spoon and a cup to do the other things too. So you just put some glue in inside like a cup or a container. Then you need to get some baking soda and mix it all up. But we're not done yet. You need to mix like a little more until you think we're done with the baking soda. I think we're done with the baking soda now. The contact solution does most of the work. I have a little trouble opening the contact solution. Do you know how to put the camera on? It's hard to pop it open. Okay. Now we have to pour some contact solution in. Like if you have a little problems with it, you just need to add more contact solution. Then mix it up. If it's still like this, that means your slime is not ready. If you're having a little problems with your slime, try first putting in contact solution. If the contact solution isn't working, you need to add more baking soda because it has to be one of them. Once you feel like your slime is good and not like sticky or anything or liquidy, that means that you're ready to knead it. Keep on mixing if you don't think your slime is ready. I think my slime has too much liquid. I'll try adding a little more contact solution. We're almost ready. I think we're ready. Before you knead a lot, you need to get a little piece to see if it's ready. It looks good. Looks like it's like getting better, right? What's your opinion? It could look like it's not getting better, or it could look like it's really good. If you never made slime before, make sure you be careful by watching this video. Doesn't it look good? Yeah, that one's so cool. I think we should use this glove. Yeah, dab it on the slime. Oh. Start. Oh yes, it's working. Do you think it's good already? Just a few more. Okay, I think that's good. It's pretty sound. I think we're done with making the slime. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!